How to enable dark mode on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can enable dark mode on Roblox. Now before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, locate your web browser, open it up, and then go to roblox.com. After you head over to your Roblox, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've logged in into your account, what you can then do is tap on the settings icon on the top right. Then tap on the settings option, and you should be prompted to Roblox settings. After you're on your settings, on the left bar right here, you'll find multiple options. Head over to browser preferences. After you're there, you'll find the theme. So expand on this and select dark. And then your Roblox is now on dark mode. There you can see. And yeah, that's how you change your Roblox theme into dark mode. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.